Oh yes, sweetie. I absolutely love this wig on fleek. Melted, bouncing, so soft. Oh yeah. This video is sponsored by Geniuswigs. Here is the box. I have the wig on. Inside of the box, you got your standard wig cap with the care instructions for the wig, what to do, what not to do, how to properly care for it. So here's the wig, looking all soft and fluffy. It's your regular lace frontal wig, lace on the front and on the sides, 13 by 5. I did take the combs out because I don't need them. I did resize the wig because y'all know I got a peanut head. If you would like to see how I size them, it is down below. The video is down below. I did attach an elastic band just to make it fit secure. And as you can see, look, this baby does not need to be bleached. The knots are excellent. Look at this. Look at this. This is straight out of the box, ladies. I did not bleach the knots. This is straight out of the box. So all we doing is gonna pop this baby on and style it. Y'all don't laugh at this line on my head. That's because I put this on last night, y'all. I ain't gonna even lie. But my ball cap is already done. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the excess cap. And then I'm going to install the wig. Make sure you guys watch all the way to the end because this wig is amazing. And I got a little surprise for you guys. Even though I'm not using glue, I'm only using gel. I'm still going to clean my edges because I want to keep this in my routine. Now I'm going to take my MAC concealer and mix it with my Beauty Supply foundation to get that perfect color. Y'all see me pulling? That's because it's fitting me so good. I got the perfect fit because I resized it. Look at that. Tug, tug, tug. Nice and tight. If you guys like full hair, this wig was like 180% density. Oh my God, you guys see how fluffy it is? Check this out. I bet your wig don't do this. Okay, here's the wig. Here's my water. Watch this. What? What? Watch. Just watch. Keep watching. Look, this water bottle was taking way too long, so I had to just bend over and just wet my hair in the sink, y'all. Put a little conditioner on it, make these curls pop and make it smell good. Now, anytime I wear curly hair, I always use water, conditioner, and a little bit of oil sheen. You can use whatever product that you normally use on your curly wigs. Pink lotion, you can use all type of stuff, whatever works for you. Oh, I love it. My baby hair is cute. The wig is cute. It's the perfect fit. It's not like it's all extra too big for my little head. You know, because it is wet and wavy. Oh yeah, I like it. Do you guys like it? Tell me what kind of styles you think I can wear when I put my curly wig on.